Hi, this is Jen from EvalFest, and I'm here to explain how EvalFest uses Think-alouds to test new survey items. Think-alouds help us learn more about how people interpret different questions on a survey, and they can be particularly useful in developing new items or when you're considering using an existing scale in a new context. In this video, we'll walk through the process of conducting a Think-aloud. When conducting Think-alouds, you'll need hard copies of the new survey items you'll be testing with participants, a recording device, and any other study-related materials that participants will be asked to complete. When you're ready to begin, approach a potential participant, introduce yourself, and invite them to participate. If you have a specific recruitment script, make sure you follow that. If someone declines participation, thank them for their time and wish them a good day. When someone is willing to participate, you can move forward with the Think Aloud activity. Start by explaining the activity to them and provide them with an example of the procedure. We usually use an example about the number of windows in our kitchen at home. You can use any example you like, as long as thinking about the answer involves some ambiguity and then choosing a final answer to the question. If you're collecting demographic data as part of the Think Aloud, ask the participant to complete the form while you set up any equipment you'll need for the Think Aloud. Don't forget to start the recorder when you're ready to begin the Think Aloud. Now, ask the participant to read the first item out loud and then talk you through what they are thinking. Get it? Think aloud. The goal of this exercise is less about collecting a participant's final response than about how they are thinking through each item and arriving at their answer. For example, in a recent Think Aloud, a participant read this item. This organization uses green sustainable practices to reduce its impact on the environment. After reading the item out loud, this is what they said. Strongly agree. You look at things in the restrooms where they have air dryers versus paper towels, things like that. After each item, ask participants if they found anything confusing or didn't understand any of the words in the sentence. You can also ask participants to define or explain keywords or terminology used in the items. This will aid in understanding whether participants are interpreting the questions as intended. Repeat this process until the participant has read each item out loud and talk through how they are interpreting the question and arriving at an answer. Make sure that you do get their final answer to each question as part of the process. When the Think Aloud is complete, stop the recording and thank the participant for their time. Think Alouds are a great way to make sure that people understand the language used on a survey, and that they are using the information you hope they would to decide how to answer a question. Taking the time to do Think Alouds at the beginning of a new data collection helps provide confidence in the results from your evaluation or research study. I hope this video provided a quick introduction to how EvalFest uses Think Alouds. For now, this is Jen from EvalFest signing off. Have fun and good luck!